Did you know that the greatest love story in history was born in a classroom 700 years ago? In 12th century Paris, Peter Abelard was the most famous teacher in Europe. Students traveled from across the continent just to hear him speak. But when 17-year-old Heloise arrived, everything changed. She wasn't just beautiful, she was brilliant. She could debate philosophy in 3 languages and match Abelard's razor-sharp mind. What started as lessons became late-night conversations. Conversations became stolen kisses, and kisses became a secret marriage. But when Heloise's uncle discovered their love, his rage was swift and brutal. He had Abelard castrated and forced them into separate monasteries, hundreds of miles apart. Most love stories would end here, but theirs was just beginning. For 20 years, they wrote letters that set hearts on fire across Europe. Their words proved something revolutionary, that true love isn't just physical attraction. It's 2 minds dancing together, 2 souls speaking the same language. Their letters became the blueprint for romantic love that we still follow today.